Hi, and welcome to ATMA Awakens. I'm Sabina, and I am really happy that you are here. For a long time, I was searching for peace outside in the world, in people, in things, and I failed until yoga and meditation showed me the way back to my inner calm and my true strength. The wisdom of yoga reminds us that calm is already within us. We just need to remember it. And Yoga Nidra is a real medicine for the soul. It became my life's mission because anxiety and overthinking have always been part of my story and of my family's story for generations. Through this practice, I began to let go, slow down, heal, forgive myself and others, and reconnect with my heart. And that's what I want to share with you here. Simple, gentle practices to help you find calm, rest, and clarity within yourself. If this message is speaking to you, please subscribe and join me on this journey of self-awareness, awakening, and stillness. You are not alone. We are in this together. Welcome to ATMA Awakens. Sending love and light your way. Namaste.